with the smile so bright. Sun in the jungle, everything feel right. These big colors popping all green. Best little adventure you ever seen. Bubbles like, wait, hear that sound? Roar in the jungle, shaking the ground. Lion in the distance, proud and bold. King of the jungle with a heart of gold. Jungle flow, here we go. Through the trees, nice and slow. Lyn Lyn Bubbles, side by side. In the jungle, full of pride. Jump, laugh, run and play. Making friends along the way. In Lyn Lyn's playground, we unite. Everything gon' be alright. Elephants walking, boom, boom, boom. Big footsteps make a little room. Lyn Lyn waves, they wave back too. Kindness shining bright and true. Little red fox with a playful grin runs right up like, can I join in? Now we got a friend in the jungle crew, laughing and playing like best friends do. Hot day, sun, hot, what we do? Bubbles said, icy water, let's go through. Jumped and splash, crystal clear. Cool blue water, no more fear. Swimming, laughing, having fun. Shining bright like the jungle sun. Came out dripping, heard a deep sound. Big gorilla standing tall on the ground. He said, who's there in my home? Voice so strong like jungle thunder tone. Lyn Lyn stepped up, calm and kind. No harm here, just friends you'll find. Bubbles smiled, didn't make a fight. Just showed love, pure and right. Gorilla paused, then gave a grin. Maybe I can let you in. From that moment, something grew. A bond so strong, a friendship true. Jungle flow, here we go. Through the trees, nice
I knew
and
you'd
slow.
break free.
Lyn Lyn Bubbles,
Onward,
side
Fox.
by
We
side.
walk
In the
strong.
jungle, full
Lead the
of
way,
pride.
mighty lion.
Jump, laugh, run and play. Making friends along the way. In Lyn Lyn's playground, we unite. Everything gon' be alright. Now the lion walking next to the fox. Elephants moving in rhythm and rocks. Gorilla leading strong and wise. Love and peace in every eye. Bubbles dancing, Lyn Lyn sings. Joy is what the jungle brings. Hand in hand, heart so true. Every dream can come to you. Through the jungle side by side, with love and unity as our guide. Lyn Lyn Bubbles, friends for